Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing MerCat. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. We're going to start off on the top left and we're going to draw the star. We'll start with a curve up and back down. Then one going out on the left and up on the right side. And two more underneath. Now let's hop out and let's draw the shape of the head. On the right, let's draw a curve over and bring it down. And a curve down on the left side. Now let's close it off with a curve at the bottom, forming a large oval shape. Now let's hop inside at the top and let's draw a curve across in the center. And then curve it up on the right and another one on the left to the star. Now we're going to hop down and draw the face. Let's start with a heart shape for the nose here. And then two curves out underneath. Now for the mouth, let's add another curve under. And two bumps inside for the tongue. And that's it for the nose and mouth. Now let's hop out to the sides and draw the eyes. We'll start with two curves going up on an angle. And another curve underneath. Now inside at the bottom, let's draw a circle that's closer to the center. And then another smaller circle inside on the top left. And lastly for the eyes, let's draw three curves on the top corner for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's hop on top and let's draw the ears. We'll start on the top left and let's draw a curve up. And the same on the right side. And then let's curve them both back down. And now let's add two more curves inside in the same way. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's draw the body. Let's start with two curves down and out for the tops of the arms. Then let's do the same thing underneath. Now in the center, let's bring it down for the waist. And then two bumps across. Now let's hop back out and let's finish the arms. Let's curve it out and bring it around. Now inside each of the hands, let's draw three small circles. Then next to it, let's draw three bumps across. and then close off the end with a line across. And that's it for the arms. Now let's hop back in and let's draw the tail. From the sides of the body, let's bring it down. And then from the left, we're going to curve it down and out. And the same thing on the right side, like this. Now for the tail, let's curve it up and back down. And then from the bottom, we're going to curve it over to the left and back up to the center. Now inside the body, let's add a few scales. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 3 bumps across with 2 underneath. Now move over on the right and let's draw 2 bumps here. And let's continue the bumpy pattern all the way across the body. And that's it for MerCat. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!